一贯道神元山庄一和圣堂简介中应对照2013-0819一贯道神元山庄一和圣堂简介。
英文未定
I. Quang Tao Shen Yuan Villa Yu Ho Holy Temple I and brief. It is brief to introduce I. Quang Tao Shen Yuan Villa Yu Ho Holy Temple. 建筑外观 The appearance of building. 慈心亭与娱乐园 TSC Shen Pavilion and Madrena Garden 山门武圣宫 Temple Door 5 Sage Temple 附近设子村镇安宫 Nearby there are Shi TC Village Zhen and Temple 台南艺术大学 National Tainan University of the Arts 乌山头水库风景区 Wu Shan Tou Reservoir Scenery District 天坛吊桥 Heaven Platform Suspension Bridge 12345楼级 Floor 12345N 地下室与厨房、餐厅 Basement and Kitchen, Dining Room 新建中的武圣宫 Five Sage Temple is constructing 供奉五大菩萨 Consecrate five great bodhisattvas 民国98年落成启用Completed and started using at 2009 AD. 开荒国外佛堂 To develop boundary truth matter foreign temples. 道场活动照片 Photos of campaigns of Tao Society. 参访联谊 To visit and link friendship. 庆典活动 Celebration activities 重要网站 Important website 展望 To look ahead 道场简介 Tao Society in brief 山庄